a piece of advice my father gave to me. Now, this not only refers to lagging, but all forms of insulation. He said, don't ever... no, wait, no. It was always, no, it was... never! Oh, I've forgotten. Never mind. What's your favorite humming noise? Would it be... Or would it be... the first one there, now, that's the sound of a fridge. The second one, that's the sound of a man humming. You never hear a woman humming. I knew a woman once, but she died soon afterwards. Now, if you push me to it, I'd have to say my favorite color was grey. No, blue. A soft blue with a hint of grey. No, orange. Orange. That's it. Orange. I remember. I have an extension put on the house now, and I put it on the extension, so the house is in a circle now. You see?